Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. A hot humid day calls for a refreshing summer drink. So quench your thirst with this cucumber cooler. This drink is very refreshing, rejuvenating with a very light flavor. So let's quickly see how to prepare this recipe. Friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of new recipes. To prepare this refreshing summer cooler, I have taken 2 cucumbers. Now wash it properly, and if you want you can peel it, but I'll be using cucumbers with the peel. So firstly, to extract as much juice as possible, we'll discard this residue. Friends, you can see this should be the consistency of the juice. If you feel it's too thick, then add more water into it. Now we'll add black salt or kala namak, little bit of salt, and I'll also be adding crushed sugar. Sugar is completely optional. You can even use stevia or sugar free powder if you do not want to use regular sugar.